There is no greater joy than having a well-maintained home, but it requires a lot of time and energy. Introducing Metropole Services Exchange, an on-demand marketplace that brings you the best of home maintenance services at your doorstep. We have over 25 at-home services right from home cleaning, plumbing, pest control, gardening and lawn mowing, handyman and painting, AC maintenance to electrical services and much more. Simply download the free app, register with us and you're good to go. Browse and select from our huge range of services. You can book instantly or even pick a preferred time slot. That's all. Our fully vetted, trained and skilled professionals will be at your doorstep with all the equipment and materials needed. You can even track the status of the job and plan your day accordingly. We provide multiple secured payment options for seamless checkout. Messe makes maintaining your home quick, easy and hassle-free so you can spend your time at more important things. Metropole Services Exchange, making home maintenance easy. Contact us today.